Alright, so today I'm going to be testing out a 3D printed gear here. Shout out to the creator on Thingiverse, I'll link it down below. So, see, it has, I made a custom gear fitting to fit on the pinion gear here. I added these little holding bracket things to it. So anyway, we're going to run it on 4S. That's a 2150 kV motor. 4S first, then we're going to move on to 6S. I don't know, that's something like 50,000 RPM. And I guess this goes without saying, but do not try this at home. Do not. I have on protective gloves, and I have safety glasses, so I'm safe, but do not try this at home. Alright, so here we go. On 4S. Okay, so didn't even make it to 6S. Just completely obliterated those gears in there. I'm going to take it apart and then we can get a better look at what's going on. Alright, so right afterwards here, it wasn't even at full throttle. And it's warm. It's not hot, but it's warm. So, you can see that. What happened, the outer gears still look fine, and the outer edge here looks fine, except there was actually a crack right here. So it looks like this middle gear here split in half, and it started pulling out there, and it got hot and must have melted. And I don't know if you can see this, the light green color on the gears though is actually melted. It's melted together. So anyway, hope you enjoyed. I guess that wasn't much of an explosion, but you know, that was fun. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video.